I'm Joanne, that's Adam behind the camera, and we are the couple from InspiredTaste.net. Today we are making big, fluffy, homey biscuits. These will not last long in your kitchen. Let's go make them. Pulse 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 5 teaspoons of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt until blended. Now cut 6 tablespoons of cold butter and scatter it over the flour. Put the lid back on, then pulse until the butter is cut into small bits. Check the recipe on Inspired Taste for how to do this by hand. Transfer this to a bowl, make a well, and then stir in milk or buttermilk. We need 3/4 of a cup plus 2 tablespoons. Transfer the dough onto a lightly floured work surface. Sprinkle a little flour on top and then bring the dough together with your hands. Pat it down into a rectangle about 3/4 of an inch thick. Fold the dough into thirds like a letter. Rotate 90 degrees, then pat the dough back into a rectangle and fold it into thirds. Repeat this process once more. Now pat the dough into a rectangle between 1/2 and 3/4 inches thick. Here's my biscuit cutter, which is 3 inches in diameter. I'm going to pat the dough so that I can get 6 biscuits. As I press the cutter into the dough, I'm careful not to twist the biscuit cutter, as this can seal the edges of each biscuit and prevent them from rising in the oven. Transfer the biscuits to an oven-safe skillet or baking sheet. Now to get more biscuits, gently press the scraps left on the workbench and use them to make more biscuits. I usually get 2 more. Bake the biscuits until golden brown, 10 to 15 minutes. And that's it. Big, buttery, fluffy, homemade biscuits. These are so delicious. As always, the full recipe is on Inspired Taste. Enjoy, and see you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.